this morning. So our bus went to the airport, tried to get another bus. It's gonna take an hour trying to catch the train. There's no room on the train to go to our stop. So now we have to cross to another platform to get on the train. Interesting. And she was trying to put him in the stroller. I said, that poor little baby. Currently walking on the Tower Bridge. Trying to stay warm. It's a nice view. All right, we're in the Tower of London. Have no idea what is going on, but we're here and we're warm now. Huh, it's medieval sound going. I hope not. A bed for a king. All right, spiral stairs. Here we go. Where does this lead? We don't know. Oh, I think we're going to the top. Are we going outside? No. No, I don't want to go outside. Oh, we're outside, Johnny. All right, it's a big step down, so be careful. So this one has a different name. Lanthorn Tower. Lanthorn. It was demolished and then rebuilt. I'm eating fish and chips in London. It's hard to stop. You all would have a free time. We're in TK Maxx in London. Like TJ Maxx, but it's exactly like TJ Maxx. We are on our way to the theater. My favorite building in London. Parliament. And Big Ben. Look at the architecture. They don't make buildings like that no more. That hot box show was spicy.
I saw them dudes all on the edge looking at it. Hey, okay. I loved it. I think so too.
I love.
Plus, you couldn't really get a picture with all the people walking around, but I did.
Where is JaLynn? What's up? That I can't call her.
Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi.